Hi, my name's Natalie.
And I'm Cheyenne, and I'm pretty sure you probably saw our video that we uploaded before this one. This is our second video. And
we're going to be making no-bake cookies.
Yep.
So just enjoy this video.
Hopefully. Yeah. Because we really don't know what to talk about. So we were just like, hey, it's a nice day today, so let's make some cookies.
Okay, so your first thing to start out with is 2 cups of sugar. You need a pan. Any type of pan will work. Okay, then you're just going to put in 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa.
See?
Okay, let me get 2 more.
You didn't get all the... Okay.
Okay. And then, after that, you're going to mix that all up. And then you're going to put a half a cup of butter. And let me get that. Okay, so I have this is a stick of butter. This is a half a cup. Put that in. It really doesn't matter how it is.
Kill the butter!
No, don't kill the butter!
You have to kill the butter.
And then,
oh, man.
then you're going to take...
You were supposed to milk this first.
No, you weren't.
No, you were.
No, you weren't. I think I know.
You were supposed to milk it down first, like make it soft. Retard. I'm sorry if the word retard offends anybody, but I say it all the time, so I'm really sorry.
So then you're going to take a half a cup of milk. And then after you do that, you're going to put that on the stove.
What about the peanut butter?
Not yet, but the ceiling.
And yes, we have done these before. Yes, we have done these before, and they are so good. You have to like, you just like make them, you have to like freeze them in a freezer or something. And like, yeah, see like, this is what it looks like. It looks really gross, but you have to put like oatmeal in it. And peanut butter. And it's like, when they're frozen, oh my god, you don't even have to bake them. So, it's like a hot, sweaty day out, you want to bake something, but your parents don't want you to turn on the oven and stuff like that to make the house even hotter. These are perfect. You just, like, yeah, it's like, awesome. But it's like raining outside today, so, yeah, oh well. We don't have eggs, so we can't really cook anything. And that's another good thing about these cookies, you don't need eggs. So if you don't have eggs, and you want to bake something, there you go. That is on my arm. That is the cocoa. Can you move this spoon anymore? I talk a lot. It's like very bad.
She does.
We need to turn on the light. Like that's like can't even see what we're doing. And then
and also, before you put the mixture on the stove, you want to put a little bit of salt in it.
yes, I am wearing gummy guys. My mom thinks that it's inappropriate, but yeah, it is, but, you know, it's funny. I'm, like, totally, like, messing around with the cooker right now. Oh, yeah, what's under the computer?
And then you just want to bring it to a boil.
Yeah, you want to bring all your ingredients that you just put in
to a boil, and then ours is still cooking, so we're just going to talk to you, or my sister is, okay? She'll find something.
Oh my god. Okay. If that like froze or something, I'm sorry. Or like went black today, because my screen went black, but I don't know. But anyway, I really don't know what to talk about. Let's see. Oh yeah, we just went to the Redwoods. We just got back, like last night, like literally. I was tired. But yeah, we went to the Redwoods and we went to the Pacific Ocean and it was really fun. I would like still put a few photos in here, but I really don't know how to. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know how. I'd probably screw up this whole video. I probably already am. I don't really care. But yeah, I am so sorry. Like, this is just my first time. And all of you guys that probably already made a video for like your first time, you probably had nothing to talk about either. You probably did, but yeah. So,
Okay, this is done.
that's not as well.
Never mind.
It's supposed to boil.
Sorry, I'm new at this.
Again, I'm sorry that I say retarded, and if it offends you, then I'm very sorry. I know, but I said it again, and I feel bad, because I don't know, some people get offended by that. Man, this video's already been 6 minutes. Holy. Okay. Some of you probably don't even like watching this long video, so I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to make a number 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
See you in the next video.